Hello and welcome to this tool demo accompanying the paper ScoutSL, an open source Simulink search engine. My name is Boll and I'm one of the co-authors of this paper. First, let's shortly motivate why you may want to use our tool. Maybe you're one of the many researchers in the Simulink domain and face the same problem as us, which is getting suitable models or projects. Or maybe you don't even have access to models at all. If you've got access to models, maybe you only have toy examples or the homework of someone, which is not particularly suitable to your research. Maybe you've got more complex models, but you just don't understand them, or even which domain they're used in. Or finally, maybe you've got the perfect models for your research, but you're not allowed to publish them, which makes it harder for others to understand your findings or build upon them, because the models are not cannot be used as a benchmark. This is why we decided to create a search engine for Simulink models and Simulink projects, which is hosted on Amazon Cloud. Here you can see its main interface. On the very top left, you find some more information about us, or you can also click one of the links on the very bottom. On the top, you get some help with some of the more complicated query formats, and here you can cite us. The main view here is like in traditional search engines like Google or Bing, where you can just input some keywords. Let's try with, as it's suggested, automotive. And 28 results pop up. The first 10 are shown here, and the next 10 with a click on the numbers and the last 8 here. Each result has a project title, which you can click and get to the project's homepage. You get also a short summary, the license type, when it was last updated, how many models it consists of. Get also a download link. If it doesn't work, you have to go via the project's webpage, and some JSON information, which is more or less the same as shown here. So let's try with some other keyword, let's say solar power, and 5 results appear. If you just try solar, 99. So you have to experiment a bit with your keywords. You can also go to the advanced search mode, which consists of 3 submodes: the Simulink specific ones, the version controlled repository ones, and the project ones. Let's go first with the Simulink model ones. Here you can find some more information on the question marks. And let's try with with models with less than 10 blocks, and the models should also have a trigger block, let's say. And just click on search, and you find 940 models will fit to your query. Let's say it also should have more than 10 subsystems, and you can also include library blocks here. And 564 results still fit your criteria. So you can experiment a bit until you're happy and get more specific until you have just a few results, or if you went too far, you don't have any results left. You can also go to the repository specific ones, and there let's try more than 500 commits. And let's try that first. So you get 76 results, and let's say you want to find those projects with a busy bee contributor who did that all by themselves. And you find even then 2 results appear. And lastly, let's go to the project specific ones. And let's say you want to find projects with less than 50 models and BSD2 license. And click on search, And you find that even then 1,400 results appear. Let's try that with more than 100 and none. So let's get closer to something where we still get results, more than 60. Okay, then you get still 2 results. And finally, you can go back to the simple search mode up there and back to the advanced search and so on. Okay, this concludes the demo. Thank you very much.